Hey, I got today one of the soft silk saree in my collection. I would love to show this saree. So this is what it looks like. It is a parrot green with a silver saree out here. So I'll show the entire saree, how graceful it looks. I just love the parrot green with a blue color in this saree. So this is how it looks. I hope you guys can see. So how graceful this saree looks like. So in the main body of the saree, it has this dual combination of parrot green with the blue, and small lines is there in the thread here. So when it comes to border, it has this matte finish. So this is how it looks like. This is a gold zari out here. On top here is a silver zari out here. The other part of the saree, which carries silver zari, here it is. Here it is a silver zari. This saree is called a soft silk saree. It is very soft, lightweight, effortless to drape. The border of these saree is also called as Ganga Jamuna border. The reason being is here it carries this gold zari out here, and here in the top it has a silver zari. So I can relate the saree with the conjoined twins, wherein which one body with two faces. So one single body with two different faces. This is Ganga and Jamuna, I can name it as. So the pallu of the saree is very simple. Let me show you to you guys how it is. This is the pallu part of the saree. It has this bottle green with a parrot green mix. So here it is. It does not have any designs, motifs or even themes. This is the tassel part of the saree. I can drape the saree with 3 different looks. If I'm going for an Outlook Fashion Week, I can drape the saree with Parsi embroidery short jacket with a belt, or if I want to go for a ritual, I can wear the saree with a Kanjipuram blouse. Or the third look, which I love the most, is cutwork embroidery. So since the saree is very plain, I can wear with 3 different style and one single saree. I hope you guys loved my soft silk saree. That's it for this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.